Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell your cryptocurrency for cash on Kraken and withdraw it to your bank account. If you're new to Kraken or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid missing any important details. Let's dive right in. Body. First, open the Kraken app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the button labeled Sell Crypto for Cash. Once you're on this screen, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from your portfolio. In this example, I'm selling all of my crypto holdings, but you can choose any amount based on your preference. After selecting the amount, double-check the transaction details, including the current market price and the total cash value you'll receive. Once you're ready, simply swipe to confirm the sale. And that's it. You've successfully sold your cryptocurrency for cash on Kraken. Now, to withdraw the funds to your bank account, navigate to the Funding tab. Here, you'll find the cash balance from your sale. Choose the withdrawal option, link your bank account if you haven't already, and follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal. The funds should arrive in your account within a few business days, depending on your bank. And there you have it. Selling crypto on Kraken is quick and hassle-free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides like this one. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.